If you choose to lie down, I invite you to place a pillow under your knees for extra relaxation. Whether you are sitting or lying down, feel free to cover yourself with a blanket for that extra snuggle factor if it's cold where you are. Settle in, situate yourself. Think about where your body is. Are you sitting or lying? Are you comfortable in this position? Take 3 full, deep belly breaths and let them out slowly. Feel yourself sinking into your chair or the floor, the bed, wherever you are. Feel the support below you as your limbs grow heavier. Feel waves of relaxation flow through you on each exhale. Think about where your mind is. Are you truly here yet? Be aware of your breath. Be curious. Are you breathing fast or shallow? Try and feel your chest and belly expand as you breathe in and out, in and out. Experiment with holding your breath for 1 beat between each in-breath and each out-breath, and see if you can make your exhale slightly longer than your inhale. Become aware of the feel of your breath in your nose and on your top lip. If you notice yourself breathing fast or you feel your heart racing, then bring yourself back to the feeling of your belly expanding as it fills with air. Count to 4 on your inhale, hold, then count to 6 on your exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If your mind wanders off, gently bring it back to your body and your breath. Breathe. Feel your belly rise and fall. Slow your breath down and make it slower again. We are going to spend the next few minutes relaxing the body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Take your attention to your scalp. Feel the skin relax as you exhale. Feel your face relax, your jaw and cheeks affected by gravity. Become aware of your shoulders. Roll them a few times and release them down. Feel a wave of relaxation move down your arms and into your hands. Make fists. Stretch your hands and then relax them. Feel your breath move your chest. Feel your rib cage move out as you inhale and in as you exhale. Take your awareness to your belly and feel your breath there, expanding and contracting, expanding and contracting. Tune into your legs. Tense your thighs and then relax them. Then tense your calves and relax them. Roll your feet one way and then the other. Scrunch your toes and then relax your ankles and feet. Feel your whole body relax with each exhale. With each inhale, feel peace fill you up, and with each exhale, feel deeper relaxation flow down from your head to your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We are coming to the end of our meditation. It's time to return to your body. Be aware of where you are. Are you lying or sitting? What time of day is it? Take a deep breath and notice the air moving in and out through your nose. Start wiggling your toes and fingers. Roll your head gently side to side and open your eyes. It's time to return to your day or evening. Thank you for sharing this meditation with me.